Continue with MCQ on environmental chemistry. The basic component of photochemical smog is PAN, acrolein, NO2. All of these, correct answer is all of these. The Antarctica ozone depletion is due to formation of the following compounds: acrolein, peroxyacetyl nitrate, SO2 and SO3, chlorine nitrate. Correct answer is chlorine nitrate. An object is located at the height of 5 km from the surface of the earth. The object is located in which part of atmosphere? Thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. Correct answer is troposphere, which is up to 10 kilometers. CFCl3 is responsible for depletion of ozone to oxygen or conversion of ozone to oxygen. Which of the following reacts with ozone to form oxygen? Chlorine, chloride ion, chlorine free radical. Correct answer is chlorine free radical, which is highly reactive and thus results in conversion of ozone to oxygen back. The photochemical smog can be suppressed by nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, radical traps, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Correct answer is radical traps. Free radicals are responsible for photochemical smog. If you use radical traps, then free radicals will be removed and photochemical smog can be reduced or suppressed. Which of the following is not an air pollutant? Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen monoxide, and nitrogen. Correct answer is nitrogen. Others are air pollutant. Identify the wrong statement in the following. Acid rain is mostly because of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for ozone layer depletion. Greenhouse effect is responsible for global warming. Ozone layer does not permit infrared radiation from sun to reach earth. D part is wrong statement and correct answer because ozone layer prevents from ultraviolet radiations and not infrared radiations. In which part of atmosphere ozone layer is present? Stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Correct answer is stratosphere. Which of the following is a secondary pollutant? CO2, N2O, PAN, SO2. Correct answer is PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Among the following compounds, which one is not responsible for ozone depletion? Methane, CFCl3, NO, chlorine. Correct answer is methane is not responsible. Rather, it helps in chlorine sinks. Which one of the following compounds helps in achieving equilibrium between O2 and CO2 in atmosphere? Chlorophyll, vitamin B12, porphyrin. Porphyrin rings are present in hemoglobin. Acetyl salicylic acid is aspirin. Correct answer is chlorophyll that takes up carbon dioxide and releases oxygen and maintains equilibrium between the two. Dash region of atmosphere contains dash, thus protects humans and other animals from harmful effects of ultraviolet radiations. Correct answer is stratosphere, and which contains ozone. The smog is essentially caused by the presence of O2 and O3, O3 and N2, oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. O2 and N2. Correct answer is oxides of sulfur and nitrogen cause smog. Oxide of sulfur causes classical smog, whereas oxides of nitrogen cause photochemical smog. Photochemical smog occurs in warm, dry, sunny climate. One of the following is not amongst the components of photochemical smog identified: NO2, O3, SO2, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Correct answer is SO2, which is present in classical smog and not in photochemical smog. Ozone layer in stratosphere is depleted by C6Cl6, C6H6, T6F6, CF2Cl2. Correct answer is D part, which is freon, and CFC. They cause depletion of ozone layer. Which of the following gases is major contributor to global warming? Carbon monoxide, ozone gas, chlorofluorocarbons, and carbon dioxide. Correct answer is carbon dioxide, which can entrap infrared radiations and causes global warming. BOD is measure of organic material present in water. BOD value less than 5 ppm indicates the water sample is rich in dissolved oxygen, poor in dissolved oxygen, highly polluted, not suitable for aquatic life. Correct answer is rich in dissolved oxygen. If BOD value is high, then it is poor in dissolved oxygen and highly polluted. The atmospheric gas which cannot produce greenhouse effect is N2, H2O, CO2, ozone. Correct answer is nitrogen. Does not produce any greenhouse effect. Excess of which of the following ions concentration in drinking water can cause blue baby syndromes? Lead, nitrate ion, sulfate ion, fluoride ion. Correct answer is nitrate ion. Lead ion damages kidney, sulfate ions have laxative effect, fluoride ion cause fluorosis. Correct answer is B part. Fish die in water bodies polluted by sewage due to pathogens, clogging of gills by slit, decrease in dissolved oxygen, foul smell. Correct answer is decrease in dissolved oxygen due to which fish die. Which of the following conditions show the polluted environment? pH of rainwater is 5.6. It is not polluted. Amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is 0.03%. This is normal. BOD is 10 ppm and eutrophication. C and D both cause pollution. BOD less than 5 is not water is not polluted. Eutrophication also leads to water pollution. The brown hazy fumes of photochemical smog are due to nitrogen dioxide, pan formation, aldehyde, SO2. Correct answer is nitrogen dioxide cause brown hazy fumes of photochemical smog. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Classical smog is also called London smog, while photochemical smog is known as Los Angeles smog. Classical smog is formed in the months of summer, while the photochemical smog is formed during winters. Classical smog is reducing, photochemical smog is oxidizing. All are correct. The incorrect statement is B part. Classical smog is formed during winters, whereas photochemical smog is formed during summers by action of sunlight on the oxides of nitrogen, hydrocarbons, etc. PAN present in photochemical smog stands for polyacrylonitrile, peroxyacetyl nitride, both A and B. None of these. Correct answer is peroxyacetyl nitride. B part is the correct answer. These are assertion reason type. Write A if both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. If both assertion and reasons are true but the reason is not correct explanation, write B. If assertion is true, reason is false, write C. If both assertion and reason are false, write D. Greenhouse effect was observed in houses used to grow plants and these are made up of transparent glass. This is the correct statement. Greenhouse name has been given because glass houses are made up of green glass. This is the wrong statement. So correct answer is C part. Next, excessive use of chlorinated synthetic pesticides cause soil and water pollution is the correct statement. Such pesticides are non-biodegradable is also correct statement. And even is it the correct reason for water pollution? So that's why A part is the correct answer. If concentration of dissolved oxygen of water is above 6 ppm, the growth of aquatic life gets inhibited is the wrong statement. Highly polluted water has BOD value less than ppm is also a wrong statement. So the correct answer will be D part.